high-quality career education programs equip students with both the hard skills and the soft skills necessary for success in today's workplace. The technical skills allow them to perform the work they are hired to do. The soft skills, such as the ability to communicate clearly, work with a team, and problem solve, are tools they need to grow and advance in the work environment. Top-tier CTE programs allow students to practice both sets of skills through industry internships or other work-based opportunities. They also provide support services along the way for students who need them. Coming into these programs, students have a clear understanding of their career options and where each option leads, whether it's to a credential, a certificate, or an associate degree. And the program expectations are delineated for them.